Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing trains at speed, deep level, yes. We're currently here at Downing Square and it says change here for local bus and underground connections. The next train will be a Piccadilly line train. It's a 1978 stock, I think. And it should be passing through this platform very shortly. Excuse the lag as well, I mean, it is quite annoying, but I was just heading down to the platform, that's why I got a pretty late reaction. We have a Jubilee line stock, I believe, passing through platform number 2. We have a Victoria line train about to pass through platform 2. We have the YouTube for London about to pass. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next part. Bye bye.